In this lesson, we will learn how to use the tab container. Firstly, I'd like to show you the form that was created by means of Form Designer, Theme Designer, and Cascade Style Sheets. We are going to use this form as an example to follow. I will now switch to Lisha Studio. Here we have prepared the FOGL project, and now we will create the new form with the tab container to be able to demonstrate its abilities. I will right-click on the project and choose New Window Builder Graphical Form. Rename it. And switching to design mode. Renaming the form. And now I will choose the tab container and use it as the root container. Resizing the form. Tab container is used for storing tab page containers only. As you can see, initially tab container does not create any tab pages, but only allocates space for them. So I will now try to insert tab pages into our tab container. I will press Ctrl to be able to insert several of them. Now we've got the tab container with 2 tab pages. Let's change their titles. Invoice address, and notes for the second one. Tab page can contain one single element only. It may be a widget or container with its child elements. In this lesson, we will learn both, including a container with its elements and including a simple widget into the tab page. If we are going to include a widget, we just add it into the tab page without inserting any parent container. Please notice that after that, we won't be able to include any other widget into the tab page. If we try, the current widget will be simply replaced with a new one. Therefore, if you'd like to add several widgets into a tab page, you need to add a container first. In our case, grid panel would be the most convenient one. So I will choose the grid panel and include it in the invoice address tab page. Now we have the ability to insert widgets into a grid panel. So let's add several text fields and several labels. I'm pressing Ctrl and choosing the text field. We're gonna need 6 text fields. Okay, pressing Escape to escape the selection and choosing labels. We're gonna need 4 of them. Renaming them. This will be the address, postcode, city, and the state. Now I'm going to change some properties of the widgets because we're going to use them in our FOGL code. So I will change the identifier to invoice address 1, invoice address 2, same for invoice address 3. This text field identifier will be invoice postcode, invoice city, and invoice state. Now we've got a tab container with 2 tab pages in it. Let's include several images to our tab pages just to beautify them. As you can see, there are 2 images included into our project. I will choose the first tab page and show Advanced Properties button. I'll click on it and choose the image. In the image URL property, I will specify the path, the related path to our images. The first one for the invoice and the second one for the notes. Save in the form. And now I will build a project and launch the application. Here we've got our tab with 2 tab pages, and each of the tab page has a title which is used to bring it to front. Let's compare the form with the form that have been used by us as an example. To make it look exactly as the one on the picture, you're going to need to apply some styles to it. Creating and applying styles will be the subject of our further lessons. In addition, let me introduce you another feature of a tab container. It allows you to change the position of tab pages. As you can see, currently they are located in the top part of the tab container. Tab page placement property changing will lead to changing the position of tab pages. Let's find this property at the tab properties, tab page placement, and change it to the bottom. And now to the right and to the left. I will rebuild the application and launch it. As you can see, the tab pages are located in the left part of a tab container. Now you can create a tab container along with the tab pages. Thank you for watching this video. For more information, please contact us on QRX.com or via info@qrx.com.